Kani kediga bati CTV, mat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Syan ke Sorkar Meghalaya kan sedang no bantai ya ke surok ba nadu na kani ganong ba Shillong syadu tamabil ka surok ke banyak light ru na ka jingking dauki ke beradan lupa menta usembut menteri rang ba ka jela ba prestun tensong ha ka jingking kenduk bagi la patai kubor ha ka arpoi trik unaitung arzat arpo ulaong ba ka Sorkar menta ka hot tender na ka benta ban chnai kani ke surok.
One more information I would like to share with all of you. See this project, the National Highway 40, Shillong to Tamabil. I'm happy to inform to all of you that the tender of 4 packages has been invited. 4 packages, tender of 4 packages right now has been invited by the NHIDCL, including the 4-lane from Umshirpi up to Banyun portion. So I think this is again a good news for the state as a whole, since the 4-lane as well as the widening, converting into 2-lane of Shillong Tamabil is already right now in the stage of finalization of tender.
Can you be more elaborate on the 4 packages?
We have 4. See, the tender was split into 4 packages, and all the 4 packages has been called. And the detailed amount I don't remember exactly, but more than 120 crores each packages. 120 crores each packages. And then 4 packages means it comes to how much, how many crores, so you know, okay? But minimum 120, I don't have the details. In fact, I don't have the details, but what I'm saying is 4 packages, tender has been called right now. So if you want the detail, maybe tomorrow, day after tomorrow, we can meet again. Okay?
Since the tender has been called, so I just want to know whether this Dauki Bridge, the bridge in the Dauki River, will be constructed from the same place or from the upper stream?
No, that is from the upper stream. That even the alignment has been finalized. It is upper stream, not from the same alignment.